Hey guys, what's up? It's Scott here from Best Guitar Lessons Ever. Doing a super easy, super simple, fast acoustic lesson today. I used to love her, but I had to kill her. I had to kill her in parentheses. By Slightly Stoopid from their acoustic album, Acoustic Roots I think it's called. And it's a cover of a Guns N' Roses song, which is really good too. I like this one. So it's open chords: D, A, G, A, and kind of a little funky strumming pattern. So kind of goes just like this. So, I'll do a little bit of singing for you. I'm not the greatest singer, but used to love her, ooh yeah, but I had to kill her. Used to love her, but had to kill her. Okay, and on the album, they do this thing where they have two guitars going. So one guy's just going like this. A, G, A. I think it sounds like the other guitar is kind of doing this sort of like Jimi Hendrix thing when they play the G to the A, and it's like okay. And that's just your F-shape bar chord for G, G root note, G. Go ahead and throw your pinky there on the high E string to get a type like a kind of a trill or hammer on. And then we're gonna move that F-shape bar chord up to the A. You might want to think about throwing some D major pentatonic embellishments in there from your Form 1 D major pentatonic. And what else? Yeah, I mean, I can't really think of a whole lot more to add to it. Like I said, it's super simple, so, you know, just kind of work on that, work on your strumming, and your rhythm and timing, and it should come out great. Thanks again for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, you know, hit the bell icon down there. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them down below in the comments section there. And I really appreciate you watching and all the support. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.